Sentry Software develops extension modules for BMC platforms that enable users to monitor, optimize, and automate their storage infrastructure. All these solutions fully integrate into the BMC platforms and are marketed and sold by BMC as BMC products. As you sure know, the three pillars of IT are compute, network, and storage. All these domains work together to deliver a service to the final user. They are all complex to manage, but storage is the most difficult part because cell administrators lack the tools to handle large, complex, and heterogeneous environments. To help administrators better manage their environment, Sentry Software developed three solutions around storage: the storage capacity optimization solution, the storage monitoring solution, and the storage automation solution. Storage demand has been growing at an outstanding pace over the past few years. Users create more and more content that requires even more computer storage. This storage growth wouldn't really be an issue if the storage budget wasn't constantly reduced. Under such circumstances, storage optimization has become a necessity for most organizations to keep costs under control. Storage optimization enables administrators to efficiently use their storage infrastructure and ensure that existing storage resources are working in an efficient and cost-effective way. Storage optimization is complex and can only be done with powerful capacity tools such as BMC TrueSight capacity optimization and Sentry Software's connectors. These tools help administrators determine capacity requirements, analyze current capacity, and plan for future. Contrary to other solutions, the Sentry Software solution is really vendor agnostic. This means that it can collect any critical data about the storage systems available in the environment. All the information is later displayed in a unique view to help administrators perform all the basic management operations. With the Sentry Software solution, administrators can, for example, analyze the storage capacity utilization of the storage systems, identify oversubscription risks, and estimate when the storage pools will be running out of capacity. They can also quickly and easily identify unmapped and inactive LANs to reclaim unused space. Finally, they can rely on powerful storage utilization reports to know how much capacity is actually consumed per host and charge back accordingly. When an application that relies on a SAN starts performing poorly, administrators struggle to isolate the performance bottleneck. Storage performance troubleshooting represents a significant part of the time spent in storage. To shorten this time, administrators need to rely on a powerful storage monitoring tool such as BMC TrueSight Operations Management and the Sentry Software's extension modules. These extension modules help administrators monitor their storage infrastructure and be informed of hardware failures, performance issues, and capacity shortages. Our storage monitoring products use different protocols to connect to the storage systems and collect hardware and performance information. Our NetApp module, for example, uses the NetApp specific API to connect to the NetApp failures. The Hitachi module, on the other hand, uses WebM to connect to Hitachi Device Manager, and the EMC module uses WebM, again, to connect to the EMC SMIS provider. To sum things up, prerequisites are as simple and light as possible. The storage monitoring solution does not require to set up the management framework of the storage vendor. Our solution monitors the health and performance of all storage components. For example, the status, activity, and traffic of all switches in the SAN are monitored. Any hardware failures, such as a power failure, high temperatures, link failures, are also detected. Graphs can be generated to help analyze the traffic, identify the disk arrays under pressure, diagnose multipathing issues, or determine the impact of backups or disaster recovery solutions on the main links of your SAN. Finally, the backup hardware infrastructure, the tape libraries, the backup applications, and the backup servers are also covered by our solution. Without powerful storage monitoring and capacity optimization products, administrators suffer unpredictable storage growth, wasted capacity, and they struggle to isolate performance problems. Thanks to Sentry Software Solutions, administrators are able to better plan for current and future capacity needs, to improve performance, and to detect backup errors. Last but not least, they do not require multiple administration tools, since their heterogeneous infrastructure can be monitored in one single console.